How to get $130 Macy's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Macys.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Macy's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there you'll need to type in the code, and just with that you'll get the discount. But where can you get Macy's promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in Macy's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Macy's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 70% offer, 40% offer, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on View Offer. Does not require a code. For some offers, you will not require a code, so you can click on Visit Macy's. You will be directed to the official website of Macy's. Now you have to log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. And in the checkout page, the offer will be automatically applied, and with that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out all the offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. You can see that. Also, make sure to go through this website, as this website will also provide a working promo code for Macy's. Well, this way you can easily get up to $130 Macy's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.